Let's create a beautiful natural makeup look using the Laura Geller Baked Starter Kit. So in this starter kit, it comes with a Bake, Balance, and Brighten Color Correcting Foundation. It comes with a Bake Blush and Brighten Marbleized Blush. And it comes with a Baked Duo eyeshadow. This starter kit also comes with 2 brushes. We have our retractable Kabuki brush and we have our dual eyeshadow and cheek brush. Yes, this brush is really retractable. So let's get started. So as you can see, I have textured oily skin, so I am going to be applying a blurring primer. This primer takes away the look of shine and it also helps to smooth out texture. So first up, you're going to use the Bake, Balance, and Brighten Color Correcting Foundation. It has a marbleized finish, and this is a powder foundation that performs like a cream. So you're going to take your retractable Kabuki brush, you're going to load it with your foundation, and you're going to sweep on the powder. And this is a really buildable foundation, so you can use as much or as little as you like. So this is a really lightweight formula, so you don't have to worry about that heavy look and feel that most foundations give. Applying this foundation is that easy. So once you have achieved your desired level of coverage, you move on to the next step, which is applying the Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten Skyline Sunset Blush. This is also a baked product that has the marbleized finish and it has a beautiful radiant sunset glow. You're going to use your Duo cheek and eyeshadow brush to complete the next step. You're going to take the fluffy end of your brush and load it with your blush. Look how beautiful that looks. And you're going to apply this on the apples of your cheeks and brush upward. You repeat on the other side. And so this blush is also buildable, so you can add as much or as little as you like. I like to add a little bit across the bridge of my nose for that cute rosy nose appearance. So using that same brush, you're going to flip it to the fluffy eyeshadow side. So we're going to take our fluffy eyeshadow brush and we're going to sweep on the brighter shade. We're going to apply this on our lid only, and we're going to repeat on the other side. Taking that exact same color, we're going to sweep it underneath the brow bone. This gives the brow bone a nice lifted look, and repeat on the other side. So we have a nice light look on our lid and our brow bone, and in the middle, we're going to add this darker shade. So you're going to load your brush with the darker shade, and we're going to sweep it right in the middle between. We're going to repeat on the other side. To make the eyes pop just a little bit more, I'm going to add some mascara. And lastly, to bring the entire look together, you can add your favorite shade of lipstick or lip gloss. And so this completes the look. It's very like given every day, very simplistic, not over the top. You can go run errands, you can go to work if you don't want that heavy makeup look and feel, just something that just accentuates and just highlights. So to get your hands on the Laura Geller Baked Starter Kit, definitely click the link in my bio. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you real soon.